Northern West Bengal is one of the most human-elephant conflicted landscape of India. Every year, several elephants and humans loses their lives or get injured as a result of conflict. So, after the success of Elephants, since January 2021, SNAP Foundation has been implementing an exciting new project in West Bengal, one that identifies talented grassroots innovators and works in partnership with them to convert their ideas into working prototypes that mitigate human wildlife conflict. This work has been partly funded by WWF Panda Labs and by Dr. Aditya Gangadharan. It is further supported by the technical expertise provided by Mr. Kaustubh Choudhury, Ms. Shimu Saha, Mr. Pradyut Roy, and Mr. Deepshubhra Viswas of SNAP Foundation and Mr. Sriram Damodaran. SNAP Foundation is proud to be a partner of the Wildlife Innovation Labs, an enterprise that aims to mainstream innovation in conservation practice. The project was officially launched in February 2021 in the honored presence of Sri Kumar Bimal, DFO Jaldapara Wildlife Division and Sri Devdarshan Roy, ADFO Jaldapara Wildlife Division. One of the innovations that we have developed under this project is led by Mr. Pritam Saha from Madarihat village, Alipurduar district. It involves an innovative fence design combined with an early warning system and is geared towards reducing human-elephant conflict. Unlike typical fencing systems, this one is also robust to damage from elephants through inbuilt flexibility. Specifically, it uses poles combined with springs that deform when elephants push against them but move back into place once the force is removed. In this prototype, 3 wires connected with a motor. This motor is operated with a LDR and a delay switch system. Motors are used to vibrate these wires to scare elephants. The poles are connected with wires that trigger a siren-based alarm system when elephants push against them. In field testing conducted since April 2021, at least 19 incidents of elephant entry have been successfully deterred. The system has been named Innovative Wildlife Repellent Fencing and is currently in the process of registration, trademark and patenting. Hope it will mitigate human-elephant conflict effectively in near future and create a peaceful coexistence.